Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fried rice using soy sauce, updated. Start by choosing cold, day-old rice and preparing chopped aromatics, eggs, vegetables, and measured soy sauce. Heat a wok or large skillet until very hot, add oil, and cook ingredients in stages for even browning. Finish by tossing rice with soy sauce off the heat and adjusting seasoning to taste for a flavorful, restaurant-style fried rice. Begin by heating oil in a very hot wok or large skillet and adding aromatics like garlic and green onions. Cook your protein until nearly done, then move it aside and scramble eggs in the empty space. Add cold rice in small clumps, break it up, and pour measured soy sauce over the rice while stirring constantly. Continue stir-frying until everything is hot, coated, and slightly toasted for great texture and flavor. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is easy to carry, keeps water cold, and has a leak-proof lid that is perfect for busy cooks who move around the kitchen. I find it handy when reheating pans or prepping ingredients, and it comes in fun colors to match your style. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Balance flavors by using light soy sauce for salt and a touch of dark soy sauce for color, keeping proportions modest. Taste as you go and add small amounts so the rice does not become too salty. Finish with a drizzle of sesame oil for aroma and a sprinkle of fresh green onions for brightness. These simple tweaks elevate your fried rice from good to great without complicating the technique or ingredients.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.